In this compilation video, we'll explore instances where uncover bosses discover their employees were not receiving their rightful pay. Without any delay, let's begin. Number 5. Dina and Wayne from the Dwyer Group. The Dwyer Group's chairman and CEO, Dina Dwyer-Owen, decided to don a disguise and work within their company, which offers a range of services such as plumbing, electrical work, appliance repair, and landscaping. Her intention was to gain first-hand experience of a typical day for employees, immerse herself in their work, and ensure the consistent implementation of the company's core values across the organization. Dina chose to work at Mr. Rooter, a plumbing business under her company's umbrella. During this experience, she was placed under Wayne's supervision, who patiently guided her through the challenges of the job.
Like with every job, every company you work at, there's things you like, things you don't like.
So what do you like?
Mr. Rooter's kind of sentimental to me. My father worked for him.
As they worked together, Wayne shared with Dina the special significance Mr. Rooter held for him. Like any job or company, there were aspects he appreciated and others he didn't. Wayne experienced a profound emotional bond with the business. However, simultaneously, he found himself discontented with certain aspects unfolding backstage.
Somebody's got to explain some things to me. And this went on for 8 weeks straight. Every week when payday, at least 2 guys are back there raising Cain about their paychecks. They had a guy who worked 60 hours. When they gave him his paycheck, he owed them $21.20.
That's ridiculous.
How does that happen?
Wayne disclosed to Dina that he frequently received incorrect payment, typically getting merely half of his rightful earnings. Moreover, he conveyed that he was not the sole one facing the issue, suspecting some dubious activities occurring behind the scenes. This deeply troubled Dina, as she was concerned about her company's reputation being tarnished in such a manner. Dina stepped away briefly to get in touch with Mr. Rooter's president and set things straight. Afterwards, she disclosed her identity to Wayne and assured him that his concerns would be taken care of.
So how do you feel finding out that I'm not really Faith?
Well, I think I better start putting a resume together.
So I talked to Mary Thompson, who's actually the president of Mr. Rooter. I said, Mary, I'd like you to just check into this because Wayne's sharing a concern with me, and I'm going to continue to follow what's happening in this relationship. And so we'll take care of all of these compensation issues.
Well, thank you.
Number 4. Rick and Savannah from Kendall Jackson. Rick Tigner, Kendall Jackson's CEO, chose to go undercover within his wine company to gain deeper insights into their operations and employees. Working alongside Savannah, his initial confidence from past experience in the job waned as he recognized the changes that had occurred.
If you join the wine club, it's half price today. I think that's right.
And so this entitles...
No, I don't know. I'll ask her. She's yep, but it'll all be good. A little bit rusty in the sales aspect. Alexander Valley Chardonnay. Really tough to all take in a really short period of time. What can you tell me about it?
Fortunately, having Savannah by his side helped compensate for his shortcomings. Rick was deeply impressed by Savannah's remarkable wine expertise and excellent rapport with customers. During their lunch break, he discovered that despite working considerably longer hours than expected, she was not considered a regular employee and consequently not receiving fair compensation.
Have medical benefits here?
I don't at the moment, and I don't have a 401k.
Yeah.
Savannah also confided in Rick about the challenging life experiences she had endured. Rick understood the difficulties Savannah had faced and was determined to ease her burden. And so, at the moment of the significant revelation, he took action to do just that. By extending a full-time job offer to Savannah, Rick guaranteed her well-being while also acknowledging her as the driving force behind the impending changes within the company.
So one thing we're going to do is we're going to offer you a full-time job.
I am overly happy. I don't think it's all sunk in yet.
You are now a full-time employee. That's a $5,000 raise.
Oh my gosh.
Number 3. David and Wayne from Best Western. In the UK version of Undercover Boss, David Clark, the CEO of Best Western, immersed himself in his hotel and resorts brand during a recession to explore recovery strategies.
Start, isn't it? Come and be a chef and start by washing up.
I mean, obviously, in most kitchens, you wouldn't be doing this just
I was going to say, I didn't think chefs did washing up.
Generally don't, but fortunately, it's just a recession and people not hiring, so we have to do what we can, you know.
Collaborating with Wayne, the kitchen's chef, he worked hands-on at one of their hotels. The kitchen suffered from understaffing, leaving Wayne overworked. Despite the excessive workload, he was not fairly compensated for the time he invested. Moreover, he had to endure unfavorable working conditions. As if that weren't sufficient, A handle has now come off, adding to the existing issues. Despite being in a terrible state, Wayne continued to work diligently. Recognizing the chef's immense talent and undervaluation, David decided to disclose his identity to Wayne, who then praised his devoted employees. Afterwards, David extended an offer to provide Wayne with the necessary resources to further enhance his professional growth and advancement.
So we would like you to go on a cooking course at our expense to inspire you and to do even more.
Number 2. Sam and Andrew from Oriental Trading Company. Sam Taylor, Oriental Trading Company CEO, decided to experience his company from an employee's perspective by donning a disguise. The direct merchant offers value-priced party supplies, arts and crafts, toys, novelties, and school supplies. Starting at a fulfillment center, Sam underwent training with Andrew, who was responsible for his onboarding.
About 2 years.
Okay.
The company itself, we claim to sell fun.
We sell fun?
Yes, but there's no fun in this truck.
During this undercover stint, he discovered the concerning working conditions of the employees at that particular facility. Despite facing challenging working conditions, Andrew felt he deserved better compensation for his contributions to the company. During their conversation, Sam learned about Andrew's family.
What about you?
I got 3 kids, 2
You got
girls
3
and a
kids?
boy. My oldest daughter's 30. My son is 25.
You don't look old enough to have a
Well,
daughter
thank you, man.
30.
I'm 48 years old. 48 years old. And I have 2 grandbabies, 2 adorable little girls. One's 4 and one's 2.
After a strenuous few hours of work, the 2 colleagues concluded their shift. However, even off the clock, Sam identified areas that required improvement, suggesting the situation was far from ideal. Andrew voiced his concerns about certain unfair company policies. When Sam finally disclosed his true identity, he praised Andrew and committed to addressing the flaws in their systems.
I know it gets hot out there, and sometimes, you want a sports drink. And so, because of you raising this issue to me, I'm making a change in our policy. And our new policy is during the 2 hottest months of the year, we're going to make sports drinks available to every single employee out there in the fulfillment center. Because of the time I spent with you, Drew, I'm going to increase the base pay for our truck loaders by 25 cents an hour. Wow. That's a commitment of around $100,000 that I'm making to you and the other truck loaders.
However, Sam's intention was to directly impact Andrew. Number 1. Kim and Deanna from Great Wolf Resorts. Great Wolf Resorts CEO Kim Schaefer took on the role of a fresh employee within her indoor water park chain, aiming to identify and address any workplace issues. Working alongside server Deanna at a park restaurant, their conversation turned to the uncertainty of earnings, given the unpredictable number of visitors and tips.
So not knowing how many people are going to come in and how much you're going to get in tips, I mean, how do you...
don't know.
You don't know.
I never really look on how much tip I make. I just
It is what it is. Yeah.
You just don't know, Kim remarked. Walking out of the restaurant with something, no matter how small, brought Deanna immense joy. During their conversation, she openly divulged some personal aspects of her past to Kim. Despite experiencing immense pain in her life, Deanna remained optimistic, convinced that having endured the worst, nothing else could demoralize her. During this significant revelation, Kim took the opportunity to express how deeply moved and motivated she was by Deanna's resilience. Kim's intention was to improve Deanna's life, and she succeeded by offering her a heartwarming arrangement that brought tears of joy to Deanna.
The next 6 months, I'm going to actually pay you to stay home. Okay?
Many touching moments occur on the show. Click now to see the best moments of Undercover Boss Season 8.